In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to Amazon Prime Video in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Amazon or simply want to manage your payments more efficiently, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Amazon's homepage by entering amazon.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed into your Amazon account, you'll need to do that first. You can find the sign in button at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your account. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've signed in and you're on the Amazon homepage, look towards the upper right section of the page where you'll see the option labeled Account and Lists. Hover over this with your mouse and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, click on Your Account. This will take you to your account dashboard containing various options related to your account management. On this page, you're going to look for the section labeled Your Payments. It's typically found under the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section on the dashboard. Click this option, which will redirect you to the payment settings for your Amazon account. You'll now see a variety of payment options, but what we want to focus on is the Add a Payment Method button. Look for this button, it's usually somewhere near the top or middle of the page, and click on it. A new screen will appear presenting you with different payment options you can add to your account. Next, you will want to select the option for credit or debit cards. Click on this option and you'll be able to enter your credit card details, including the name on the card number and the expiration date. Ensure that all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any issues when making purchases. After double checking your credit card information, go ahead and save your new payment method by clicking on the Confirm or Save button, whichever is available on the page. Amazon will then securely add this information to your account, and your card will be ready to use for purchasing and streaming on Amazon Prime Video. That's it, you've successfully added a credit card to your Amazon account. This will make managing your Prime Video subscriptions and purchases much easier. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more guides and tips. Happy streaming!